We love stationery. We're the same people. Let's have some fun with what we're doing, right? Well, hello there, crew. Hey, it's Mark from Men Who Bullet. Thanks for hanging out. We've got an unboxing today. We've got some new stuff from Desk Gems. Addicted to their shop. You know what? It all started with these little tiny push button stamps. Somebody saw this and was like, Mark would love these, and then sent me the TikTok. I was addicted. I bought almost all of them and then fell in love with Desk Gems, the power of social media. Since then, I've gotten so many cool things and I've just fallen in love with this brand. June, who is the owner of it, you know, when you get a packaging from Desk Gems, it always looks fantastic. It's wrapped, there's like a little note on it. She's got wax seals and little twine on it. And you're just like, yes, somebody put this together for me and this feels extra special. So let's go through the unboxing today and talk about all the cool things that I got from Desk Gems. All right, the very first thing that I had to get, finally it has arrived from my wish list, are the number stamps from Sanby. These are very cool click together stamps. I actually first heard about the numbered when I got the cool collaboration between Eric Smallthings and Sanby. What I love about these stamps is that they easily click together so you can create whatever number combinations you want without having to like tie a rubber band around them. Just easily click them together, stamp what you need, and then put your new numbers together. And I absolutely love that. And now I finally have them in my collection. You know that I'm a big fan of stamps. I've been growing my collection over time. So I have these Life Moose style stamps here. They're small little tiny circle ones, but I'm excited for these because I think I can put some dates inside of those or months or any type of small items and easily stamp them onto my page. So excited to have these as a part of my collection. I also had to get some woodblock stamps. I've been loving these more and more, especially with the ones that I'm getting from Eric Smallthings and some of these other collaborations. It's like a very cool collection of things, but I got two different ones. The first one that I got here is a really fantastic pencil stamp. It's small, it's little, and I can absolutely totally use this in my bullet journal for headers or splitting things out or just for some fun. This next one here is very cool. I actually got this one because I wanted to start creating some swatches for my inks, and I think that this is going to be perfect for that. Easily stamp it, put some inks inside of those, and be on my way with the label and the brand and the color, and I'm gonna be so happy about it. This next stamp has been on my wish list for some time. The brand is called Watch Them, and this is a really cool like Instagram looking stamp. Some of my favorite pages to create are actually Instagram trackers as I'm tracking through how well I'm doing, I'm growing, and things that are happening. I think this is also a cool stamp for memory keeping as well. If you wanted to pop something in there, little Polaroid maybe, or even a doodle to help remember something. So excited to have this woodblock stamp as a part of my collection. The last thing that I got was a total random buy, but I needed it. I didn't need it, but I needed it. This is the Sun Star Portable Corner Cutter. I cannot say that 5 times fast, but excited about it because this is a nice little portable deal that helps you create rounded corners on any type of not rounded corner item. So whether it's pages, cards, or even small little sticky notes, you can create some really cool looking pages with this. So now that we have everything, we gotta try it out. Let's see how everything looks, the stamps, the corner cutters. Let's have some fun with all the goodies that we got. If you're interested in picking up anything from Desk Gems for yourself, you can use a special referral link that I have for you in the descriptions below. Everything I showed today is linked down there. Click that link, you get extra percentage off, and it lets them know that Mark sent you. And that is always helpful because I want them to know how much I love them and how much you love them because I told you that we love them. We love stationery, we're the same people. Let's have some fun with what we're doing, right? I have an entire order coming soon from another stationery shop, and we'll be doing another fun unboxing and demo when I get those items. But for now, thank you, crew, for hanging out with me today, and I'll talk to you very soon. See ya.